the best online business to start in 2019 with no money. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepoye. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. So, in today's video, I want to tell you the best online business you can start in 2019 with little to no money that you have to put in, right? Because other businesses they require like bunches of money, right? So, uh, the business I want to tell you is called affiliate marketing, right? If you don't know affiliate marketing, uh, let me explain to you basically, right? Affiliate marketing is basically there's a person with a problem, right? A person has a problem, right? For example, yeah, let's say this ad here, right? So a person wants to buy these shoes, right? And then he does not know where the store is of the shoe, right? So here is the store of the shoe, so of the shoe, right? Of the shoe. So here is the store of the shoe, and this person here does not know. He wants to buy the shoes. He has the money to buy the shoes, but then he does not know where the store is. So this is where we come in as affiliate marketers. So we are here. We are the middleman. We are the middleman connecting this person right here to this product, right? So as you show him, hey, you wanna buy shoes? Yes, I have the money here. Yeah, here's the shoe store. We direct him to the shoe store. In exchange, we get a little bit of commission, like a thank you for showing me the product. Thank you for showing me where the shoe store is, right? So that's basically how it started. So we are basically referring people to affiliate products, right? People have a problem, people with a problem, they have a sickness, and then we direct them to their solution, what they need, right? What their solution, what they need. So let's say, like for example, here we're selling all these, we're selling this. This is how we started promoting it, right? So you can go on YouTube or Facebook, and then just basically start promoting like products like this, right? And then say, how will people know? But if I get a sell, how will they know, right? So let's say we go to Amazon, right? Amazon is a bunch of products here, right? So here in Amazon, you can actually go down, scroll here. There's a thing called that says affiliate, right? They become an affiliate for Amazon, right? Become an affiliate here. You sign up for becoming affiliate, right? And then you sign up. So if you tell your friend, or someone that, hey, look at this camera right here, I think it's really nice, or something like that. I think it's really nice. You should buy it. Or basically, was looking for something, and then he buys it. You send him your affiliate link to go buy the camera. You get a certain commission, right? You get a certain commission for him buying this camera or something like that, right? So now the thing with Amazon is from 49 bucks, you only get like 6%, 6 to 8% of the commission of the money, right? So let's say let's do a little bit of calculations here, right? So on how you can get, right? So let's say from 49 bucks, right? 49.99, sorry, right? So 49.99, right? So you minus, cause you get only like 6%, right? So you minus, let's say 94%, 94%, 94%. Sorry, wrong calculation. Right, so for 49.99, 49 minus 6%, 6%, right? So you only get like $2.99 per sale, right? So, and you have to really sell this much money for you to be able to make a sustainable income. So you have to sell like 30 of these cameras uh, for you to get like 1,000, right? So that's the only thing I did not really go into Amazon because you have to start small. Then you say, hey, Philemon, then where do I find other products, right? So I went to this nope, I don't want. But I went to this site called Offervault, right? So Offervault, this site here, is just right. So Offervault is basically the same as Amazon, but here they they also do the same thing, right? I like also Offervault. You can go here and find certain product in your niche, right? And then they will tell you how much you're going to get per commission, right? So, and then I started doing Offervault. I was really feeling, and then I went to ClickBank, right? ClickBank, the reason why I like clickbait is because you can there is all these niches, right? So if you don't know what niche to start in, you can start in any of these niches where to start in, right? So you start in here, or you can find a certain product that you're looking for, or you go to the advanced feature here. Because with Amazon or other things, you're only getting $2 from 49. But things like clickbait, with things like clickbait, you get you can like for example, let's say we're in the fitness, right? So let's look at the fitness range, health and fitness, right? So you can select whatever product you want, right? Whatever product you want, you can select, and here the commissions are actually bigger or much more better, right? So for example, here Flex Belly Fix, you get these commissions of 37 bucks, 37 bucks just from referring one person. As of Amazon, they're getting only $2, right? So that's why I started doing the affiliate marketing with Amazon because I started with other businesses like I went to e-commerce and then payment methods because I live in Africa, so PayPal did not support my country and things like that, so I couldn't do e-commerce. I couldn't do things like Amazon. Second for focus PayPal and things like that. So uh, uh, ClickBank was the best for me because payment processor is good. They pay on time. Everything is good with them. I have no problem with them until up to this point. So that's why I chose it, right? So you go here, you find the product you want, right? You find the product you want, you start putting out your link there. You start putting out your link there, right? So now this you only do. It, it does require a lot of work, right? Not a lot, but if you have about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, you are good to go. You are good to go about if you have 30 minutes to 2 hours a day, right? And then you learn certain skills. And then if you can learn, if you are willing to learn certain skills, like for example SEO, search engine optimizing, of like you're telling people go here, let's say you tell people here like, hey, you wanna know about trade benefits, right? So you rank videos, you rank your videos to the search number one search video. So of YouTube search recommendation, right? So you rank your videos there. And then if people go there, and then if people will see your video because it's ranking is number one, they will click your link and you get bunches of money from that referral. It's products, right? So that's really affiliate marketing in a nutshell, guys. So I know this is also not it's kind of hard, but the thing with finding products, it's hard to find the best products out there. So that's it really took me a long time to find not the perfect, but the best product I can find as of now in my niche. Because I mean, they make money online. So the product that I'm promoting helps you. It will teach you on how to promote it and how to make money with the product, right? So if you wanna check it out, it pays very good. You can check it second link in the description. Or if you wanna check out my free affiliate marketing ebook that will teach you everything you know that you need to know about affiliate marketing, it's also the first link in the description called Your First Dollar with Affiliate Marketing. Right? Your first dollar affiliate marketing, that's my free affiliate marketing ebook. You go there, you sign up for my ebook, I send you the free copy. Free copy and you start here everything with. Or if you want to jumpstart your success in 2019, you can go ahead and check out the second link in the description where to find my number one recommendation, the product that I promote, so we can jump on board and we promote it together, right? So they will teach you certain things, I will teach you certain things, right? So things like that. So that's really the best business I can say as of now. The best business to start off in 2019 as a beginner. You don't really money because it doesn't really require anything. It doesn't really require a lot of work that you need to put in apart from like you sending your link to places like you can put it on your YouTube channel, you can put it to Facebook groups, and that's where the most stuff comes in. But here in this video, I'm just telling you about affiliate marketing and that's the best business that you should start if you want to start it. If you're thinking of starting an online business in 2019 and you don't know which one, I suggest you start affiliate marketing. So read my book, my free book. It's free, right? So we'll read it. It will help you more about affiliate marketing. To really help you to know more things about affiliate marketing if you don't know more things about affiliate marketing, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Don't forget to check out the links in the description that I said, right? Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo, and peace.